If someone told you the VA might help you go kayaking, horseback riding, adaptive skiing, sailing, painting, or even participate in music therapy, you might assume they were joking. But many veterans never realize these programs actually exist through VA medical centers and community partners. Today, we're looking at 7 lesser-known therapy and rehabilitation programs that may help veterans improve mobility, manage pain, support their mental health, reconnect with other people, and simply enjoy life again. Some of these programs are offered directly through VA facilities. Others may be available through local organizations that work with the VA, and several of them are programs most veterans would never think to ask about. Welcome back to Beyond the DD-214. On this channel, we cover VA benefits, military discounts, and veteran programs that can save you money or improve your quality of life. If that sounds useful, consider subscribing. Let's get started. Number 1 is recreation therapy. When most people hear the word therapy, they imagine sitting in an office and talking to someone. Recreation therapy can look completely different. A certified recreation therapist uses meaningful activities to help veterans recover physically, emotionally, and socially after an illness, injury, or a major life change. Depending on what is available through your local VA, recreation therapy might include gardening, hiking, fitness activities, games, outdoor recreation, community outings, or group programs. These activities may be used to help veterans improve coordination, rebuild confidence, develop social skills, become more independent, or return to activities they previously enjoyed. The important thing to understand is that recreation therapy is not simply entertainment. The activity is being used as part of a larger treatment or rehabilitation goal. For example, a group outing might help a veteran become more comfortable in public settings. Gardening might be used to improve mobility, concentration, or routine. An outdoor activity might help someone regain confidence after an injury. Many veterans have never heard of recreation therapy, even though it may be available through their own VA healthcare system. Number 2 is adaptive sports. The VA supports a wide variety of adaptive sports programs for veterans with disabilities. Depending on the program and location, activities may include cycling, wheelchair basketball, archery, rowing, kayaking, surfing, skiing, snowboarding, rock climbing, golf, and other recreational sports. Many veterans hear about these programs and assume they are only for elite athletes or veterans training for major competitions. That is not necessarily true. Some events are highly competitive, but many local programs are designed for beginners who simply want to become more active. Adaptive equipment can make it possible for veterans with limited mobility, limb loss, spinal cord injuries, visual impairments, or other disabilities to participate safely. The goal may be improved strength and mobility, but the benefits can go beyond physical fitness. Veterans may also build confidence, meet other veterans, reduce isolation, and discover activities they thought were no longer possible. Even if you have never considered yourself athletic, it may still be worth asking what adaptive recreation programs are available near you. Number 3 is aquatic therapy. For veterans dealing with chronic pain, arthritis, mobility problems, or recovery from surgery, exercising on land can sometimes be extremely difficult. Water changes that. Because the water supports part of your body weight, aquatic therapy may reduce pressure on painful joints, while still allowing you to work on strength, movement, balance, and flexibility. Some VA facilities offer aquatic therapy directly. Others may refer veterans to approved community providers or rehabilitation programs. Aquatic therapy may be used for veterans recovering from orthopedic surgery, spinal injuries, neurological conditions, chronic pain, or other mobility limitations. For some veterans, moving in a pool is far more comfortable than exercising in a traditional gym. That can make aquatic therapy an important first step toward becoming active again. Availability varies, so the best place to start is usually with your primary care provider, physical therapist, or rehabilitation team. Number 4 is creative arts therapy. The VA also supports therapies involving art, music, creative writing, dance, and drama. These programs may be used as part of treatment for post-traumatic stress, anxiety, depression, traumatic brain injuries, chronic medical conditions, and other health concerns. You do not need to be an artist or musician to participate. The goal is not to create a masterpiece or perform in front of an audience. The creative activity itself may help veterans express emotions, improve concentration, reduce stress, develop confidence, or communicate experiences that are difficult to put into ordinary words. Music therapy may include listening to music, writing songs, learning an instrument, or using rhythm as part of rehabilitation. Art therapy might involve painting, drawing, sculpting, or other creative activities. Some veterans may also have an opportunity to participate in local or national creative arts events. The VA's National Veterans Creative Arts Festival showcases work created by veterans participating in creative arts programs around the country. For veterans who do not connect with traditional forms of therapy, creative arts may offer another way forward. Number 5 is equine-assisted therapy. Equine means involving horses. Horse-assisted programs have become increasingly popular for veterans, particularly through partnerships between VA facilities and community organizations. The exact format varies. Some programs involve riding, while others focus on caring for, guiding, or interacting with horses from the ground. Working with horses may help veterans improve balance, coordination, communication, emotional regulation, and confidence. Horses also respond strongly to body language and behavior. That can provide immediate feedback and help participants become more aware of how they communicate and respond to stress. For some veterans, the outdoor setting and connection with an animal feels completely different from a traditional medical environment. Not every VA facility offers equine-assisted therapy, and the available programs may have specific eligibility requirements. But it is worth asking whether your local VA works with any nearby organizations that provide it. Number 6 is adaptive outdoor recreation. This may be one of the biggest surprises on the list. Veterans may be able to participate in therapeutic outdoor programs involving fishing, hunting, sailing, paddle sports, camping, mountain biking, hiking, and other activities. Many community organizations provide specialized equipment so veterans with physical disabilities can participate. That might include adaptive bicycles, accessible boats, modified fishing equipment, off-road wheelchairs, or other devices designed around a veteran's needs. These programs are not only about spending a day outside. They may help veterans reduce isolation, improve physical fitness, rebuild confidence, develop friendships, and reconnect with activities they enjoyed before an injury or illness. Outdoor programs can also provide a sense of purpose and accomplishment that is difficult to recreate in a clinical setting. Some programs are offered directly through a VA rehabilitation or recreation department. Others are operated by nonprofit organizations that partner with the VA or receive funding to serve disabled veterans. Which brings us to number 7, community programs supported by VA grants. Every year, the VA provides funding to nonprofit and community organizations that offer adaptive sports and therapeutic recreation for disabled veterans and service members. That means your local VA may not directly operate every program available in your area. A community organization may be providing the service instead. This is an important distinction. The grant money generally goes to organizations running the programs. It is not normally money that an individual veteran applies to receive personally. So instead of asking whether you can apply for an adaptive sports grant, ask your VA care team whether any local organizations provide adaptive sports, recreation therapy, or outdoor rehabilitation programs for veterans. You can also ask to speak with a recreation therapist, physical therapist, social worker, or rehabilitation specialist. There may be opportunities nearby that are not widely advertised and never appear on a standard list of VA benefits. The VA is usually associated with medical appointments, prescriptions, disability compensation, and hospital care. But many veterans never realize that the system also supports programs focused on independence, recreation, creativity, physical activity, and social connection. Not every program is available at every location. Eligibility may depend on your health needs, disability, treatment plan, and the resources available through your local VA or community partners. But if even one of these programs sounds interesting, it is worth asking about. You might be surprised by what is available. Which of these programs surprised you the most? And have you ever participated in recreation therapy, adaptive sports, aquatic therapy, creative arts, equine therapy, or another VA-supported program? Share your experience in the comments. If this video helped you discover something new, please like and subscribe to Beyond the DD214 for more hidden veteran benefits and resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.